Government warning. Smoking is dangerous to your health.
This is the Southern Mindanao College's Engineering Building. We are here to gather information about those students who keep on using cigarettes. The Department of Health gave warning to those people using cigarettes until now. And we conduct a survey of the students who use cigarettes and those students who gave their feedbacks.
Tobacco smoke contains more than 7,000 chemicals. About 70 of them are known to cause cancer. Smoking cigarettes is the number one risk factor for lung cancer, but smoking can affect your entire body and is known to cause cancer. In addition, smoking is known to cause leukemia also.
In every person who smokes, there is always behind their habit. That is why I interview those people who keep on smoking, even though they know that it can affect their health.
Paninigarilyo noon, 13 years old ako. Simula iyon sa paunti-unti lamang na paninigarilyo ko hanggang sa naging bisyo ko na ito.
Tatanungin ako kung bakit ako naninigarilyo, dito nagsimula. Naninigarilyo ako nung high school, third year high school ako. Tapos, hindi ko talaga intention na manigarilyo. Mga barkada na influensyahan ako ng mga barkada. Nagtry ako ng sagstig. Tapos sa loob ng isipan ko, wow, kastig ako ng sigarilyo. Tapos, pagkatapos ng...
And now, let us hear the comments of those students who did not engage self-esteem in cigarettes.
Students who smoke, please stop because cigarette can damage your health. Prevention is better than cure.
Cigarettes also can damage your future and also other people. So as early as possible, stop smoking.
About the smokers, especially the students who smoke, is that they lose the 1 minute of their life when they cigarette. So why they to come here in library?
To keep on smoking or addict na dyan sila din. It's part of the lifestyle na nila din. It's hard for them to change it. Kung mabago man gani, it takes year for them nga para mabago sila. Pero as a generation karon, environmental influence for people na dyan kayo na siya mabago. Pero naraman ko na sa to kung saan na sila pagdawat.
So, are you convinced to stop this vice in fact of deteriorate you? Based on a survey, it was observed those students, smokers, has physical defects, and it can lead them to skip their respective classes.
It can affect the social interaction.
About those students who using cigarettes at their school.
For me, ito yan, para sa ako, pag nanigarilyo sila kay para lang ang uban para ilang lucky, ang uban para stay to be cool or to adapt to environment, mga sila or nadala lang sa mga barkada. Ako lang istorya sa mga nigarilyo na keep it up the good work. Oh, instead kinaundangan ng mga nigarilyo ay ginukutan bad habit.